Hey guys, welcome back again. So today is another beautiful day and we are going to be talking about the top in-demand skills that one needs to learn in the year 2025 and beyond. So pay close attention because in today's digital world, you will agree with me that skills are the new currency, right? So whether you're looking to land a high-paying job or start a side hustle or simply stay ahead in the ever-changing digital landscape, you must equip yourself with the right tools to thrive. Now, I know you might be thinking, where do I even start? Well, you are lucky because in this video, I'm diving deep into the top in-demand skills that are shaping the future of work and life as we know it. These are the skills employers are desperate for, businesses rely on it, and individuals are using them to create powerful opportunities for themselves every single day. All right, I am part of it, and that is why I want to show you how you too can learn any of these skills and get yourself employed. All right, but here is the catch: not every skill is good for everyone. Okay, I'm a web developer, a graphic designer, and currently I'm trying to get my feet into the video editing world because trust me, a lot of my videos you have been watching, I'm the one that shot it, edited it, and from A to Z I did everything that has to do with my videos. Okay, so that is part of the skills I'm currently developing to add in my portfolio. And all of these things have really helped me a lot in life. So I believe after watching this video, you'll be able to know the skill that is perfect for you, even if you are a complete beginner. Whether you are passionate about creativity, technology, problem solving, or even just curious about what's next, this video is your ultimate guide to leveling up. All right, let's get started.
First up, we've got AI and prompt engineering. Now, AI has been blowing up lately, and for good reason. It's changing how we interact with tech, automating tasks, and even helping us get creative. But here's the thing: to really unlock AI potentials, you need to know how to talk to it. And that's where prompt engineering comes in. It's like having the secret code to make AI do exactly what you want. We are talking about crafting those super specific inputs, those prompts that get you the best possible output from AI models. Think of it like this: you wouldn't just walk into a 5-star restaurant and say, "Give me food," right? You would like to be specific. You would ask for the chef's recommendation, the freshest ingredients, the perfect wine pairing. Prompt engineering is the same idea, but for AI. It's about understanding how to communicate with these powerful tools to get the most out of them. And trust me, as AI gets even more advanced, prompt engineering is only going to become more valuable. Let's talk about the backbone of the internet, web development. This is about building and maintaining websites and is a skill that's always in demand. Now, there are different aspects to web development. You've got your front-end developers, the ones who focus on what you see and interact on a website. They make things look good and feel seamless. Then, you've got your back-end developers, the ones working behind the scene to make sure everything runs smoothly. They are like the engineers of the web, building the databases, the logic, and the infrastructure that powers websites. And then we've got the full stack developers who can conveniently work on both the front end and back end section of a website. And no matter which part you choose, web development is a solid skill to have in your arsenal. Now, data is everywhere and is like the digital exhaust of our life, but raw data is kinda useless. It's like having a million Lego bricks but no instructions. That's where data science comes in. It's about taking all those raw data and turning it into something meaningful and into actionable insight. We are talking about using statistics, programming, and some seriously cool visualization tools to find hidden patterns, predict trends, and help businesses make smarter decisions. Think about companies like Netflix recommending shows you will actually like, or Amazon knowing exactly what you need before you even do. That's data science in action. And to master these skills, we want to get familiar with tools like Python for analysis, SQL for managing databases, and visualization software like Tableau or Power BI to make that data really pop. Let's face it, with all this tech around us, security is more important than ever. We are talking about protecting our personal information, our financial data, and even our critical infrastructure from cyber threats. That's where cybersecurity professionals comes in. They are like the digital guardians, the ones who design, implement, and maintain the systems that keep our data safe from those pesky hackers. We are talking about identifying vulnerabilities, setting up firewalls, and making sure data is encrypted, so even if it does fall into the wrong hands, it's basically useless. And the best part, Cybersecurity is a field that is only going to grow. As more and more devices connect to the internet, the demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals is only going to skyrocket. Now, let's talk about the cloud. No, not the fluffy white things in the sky, but cloud computing. This is about accessing computing services like servers, storage, and software over the internet instead of relying on your own hardware. Let's think of it like this. Instead of storing all your photos on your phone, you store them in the cloud, accessible from anywhere. That is the basic idea behind cloud computing. It's about flexibility, scalability, and cost effectiveness, and that's huge. Companies like Amazon with AWS, Google with Google Cloud, and Microsoft with Azure are dominating the cloud computing space, and they need skilled professionals to manage and develop these platforms. So, if you are interested in a field that is literally changing how businesses operate, then cloud computing is a fantastic option. Now, you've probably heard of Bitcoin, right? Well, blockchain is the tech that makes Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies possible. But here is the thing. Blockchain is way more than just crypto. It's a secure, transparent, and tamper-proof way to record and verify transactions. Imagine a digital ledger that is spread across a network of computers. That's blockchain. And because it is decentralized, no single entity controls it. It's like the ultimate trust mechanism, and the applications, they are endless. We are talking about everything from supply chain management to secure voting systems, from digital identity verification to even revolutionizing how we think about property ownership. Blockchain is still in its early stage, but its potential is massive. Think about it, we are spending more time on our phones than ever before, and that means businesses need to be where their customers are, which is a mobile phone. Whether it's a social media app, a game, a productivity tool, or anything in between, mobile apps are everywhere. To become a mobile app developer, you need to learn languages like Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android. And the cool thing is, you can create your apps for millions of users right from your laptop. And the best part is that it's a field that is both challenging and incredibly rewarding for anyone who masters the art. Alright, let's move on to digital marketing. In today's digital world, it's not enough to just have a great product or service. You need to know how to reach your target audience, and that's where digital marketing comes in. We are talking about everything from SEO, which is all about optimizing your website to rank higher in search results, and to social media marketing, email marketing, and others. It's all about understanding how to use digital channels to tell your story, engage with your audience, and ultimately drive sales. And the best part, digital marketing is constantly evolving, so there is always something new to learn. Right now, let's talk about UI/UX design. UI stands for user interface, and it's all about the look and feel of a website, an app, or any digital product. UX stands for user experience, and it's all about how easy and enjoyable it is to use that product. UI/UX designers are like the architect of the digital world. They focus on creating intuitive, visually appealing, and user-friendly experiences. They think about things like navigation, layout, color schemes, and typography to make sure users can easily find whatever they're looking for and have a positive experience. Now, this might not seem as techy as the others, but trust me, it's essential in any field, especially in tech. Project managers are the ones who bring everything together. They are the organizers, the planners, the communicators, and the ones who keep projects on track, on budget, and on time. They work with teams of developers, designers, marketers, and stakeholders to make sure everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goal. And in the fast-paced, ever-changing industry like tech, having strong project management skills is crucial. Alright, so there you have it, the top 10 skills to master for the year 2025 and beyond. Now, it might seem like a lot, right? And honestly, it is. But the good news is that you don't have to learn everything at once. Just pick one or two that really interest you and start diving deep. Take online courses, watch videos or tutorials on YouTube and other platforms, then pick a project and build, and most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes.
All right, the tech world is all about continuous learning, so embrace the challenge and stay curious. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.